Hello, today I will demonstrate on how to create category and item, link to the print department and publish it to the POS device. Firstly, open your browser and click on your FeedMe portal. As you have entered the portal, click on Register or Sign button to log in. In here, let's navigate to the menu. On the top left, as you can see the 3-line bar, click it to expand the navigation, and next click on the menu button. In here, you can see the catalog, this where you will create the category and your items. Click on Main. Let's create our category. Click on the new category on the top right. Key in your category name. Here I put noodle as example and click on the Create button. You have created your category. Usually most new or recently created category will show at the last or the bottom of the list. If you happen that you want to show your recent category as the first category, you can click and hold it, drag it to the top. Now, let's create your item. Click on New Product. In here, you can fill the code, name of product. In the order from here, you can choose for all, POS only, or none. You can also upload the image here. Here you can type out the description. Here you can set your price. For example, I set mine here 5 Malaysian ringgit. Now we want this item to appear at Out Kitchen Printer, so we scroll down and find Printing. Here we click on New Department and put in the name here, Kitchen. And next click on Create. Now you can see the kitchen printer has been created. Next click on Update button on the top right. For drinks, to set the printer to the drink print department. First click on the drink, as you can see here I click on my iced lemon tea. Now scroll down and find the printing. Here I have already create my drink printing department. To create the drink department, it is the same method as how you create your food print by clicking on the new department, put in the name and click on Create. After all done, click on Update, which is on the top right. Next, go to Print and you can see 2 print departments, which is your food and drink department here. Click on it. Here you can see the name of your drink department and what menu is linked to it. Here you can customize the name of the print department. Here you can select the menu and click on Apply Product to link to this print department. You can also unlink the menu by clicking the X here. After all done, you can click Update button, which is located below. So, how to delete the menu item from the category, as for example that I want to remove these item, so on the left side of the item, there is a box to click on it to select it. After clicking it, you can choose to delete from the Delete button above here, but remember and be caution, this method if you want to clear all the menu from this category. You can also delete it from here by clicking the gear on the menu item, click on Delete, and Remove. Let's say I want to delete the category. First, locate the Delete button here. Click on it, and next, click on the Remove button to delete it. After all done, locate to the Publish. Click on Publish here to publish it to your POS system. That's all for it here. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.